Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. It is another mini lovely vlog. So it is the 24th night and I am going home from work. Unfortunately, I had to be at work today, but thank God that was over and done with. As I was driving home, I was thinking about all the stuff that I have to do tonight. I would love to get stuff prepared and ready for the next day. So yeah, and yeah, let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Hello, you.
Hi, Mommy.
How are you?
Good. Hey, some chocolate.
Yeah, somebody here. I got that from work.
But are we allowed to take some?
I'll see.
I'm going to put out the cookies.
Put out the cookie for side. It's not now. Yeah, we'll put it out, but it's still early, isn't it?
Yeah, I just want to do something don't forget.
No, we will not forget. We'll put it out. I'm sure. I don't know, 10, the normal time, 9, 10. Is that okay? Did you guys have dinner? Okay. Sorry? It's here. Huh? Oh yeah, this extension. Okay. That's fine. So guys, at this point I am going to start preparing some stuff. A little story. The meat I wanted to eat this Christmas was goat meat. If you grew up in Nigeria, you will know that we love goat meat. Like, we love it. The last time I had one was last year, Christmas, because we went home to Nigeria. So I was looking for where to buy. There's a girlfriend of mine from work that knows somebody that sells. When we contacted him, he lived outside Dublin, and he was like, oh, he cannot just come for one goat. If we find somebody else that is buying, so he can make the journey for 2 or 3 goats, so he can worth his time. But we couldn't find anyone that was buying. We couldn't find anyone, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do lamb and turkey. Let me forget it. So I bought lamb. So that is my lamb that I just cleaned. But I was craving goat so badly. I was like, because Christmas is a time for goat, it's a time for goat meat, but I couldn't. Anyway, I will hold it when I get to Nigeria again, or whenever. So I just soaked my lamb in water with lemon, and at the moment I am going to blend some tomato, because if you know Nigerian Christmas, it has to be jollof rice or Nigeria stew and rice, or even fufu as well anyway. But yeah, so I'm blending my tomato, because at the moment I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's jollof rice or rice and stew for tomorrow. I know it will be rice and something. And then the lamb, I wanted to do lamb sauce with basmati rice. So yes, anyway, so I am blending my tomato, and after that I am going to boil the tomato, because this takes time in the morning, so I don't want anything to consume my time in the morning. So I'm gonna do it now. So now I am going to wash out the lamb. How I wish this is goat, guys. Goat curry, that is what is hungry me, goat curry. But anywho, I am cleaning my lamb, praying that when I wake up in the morning that Jesus would turn it into a goat meat. But yeah, it is what it is. So after cleaning my lamb, I am going to marinate it because I want it to be well marinated and put in the fridge. And by the time I wake up in the morning, this will be amazing. But I blended some few stuff like onions, bell peppers, ginger and garlic. Excuse me. And I'm going to add some seasonings like thyme, curry, and yada yada yada. You can season your meat anyhow you want with any seasoning you love. But yes, anyway, I am excited because I feel like tonight will never end. When I finish this preparation, I am also going to go prepare for Santi. That is not going to be in this video because you know what? My kids still watch my YouTube channel. But yes, this night will be a long time. I mean, it will be a long night. By the time I go to bed tonight, it will be, let's just call it 12 midnight or 1, because there is a lot of Santi to prepare. Anyway, guys, I hope your 24th night was great, and I hope you got to spend it. You get, or is it got or get? I don't know. I hope you spend it with family anyway, and surrounded by loved ones, because that's what Christmas is all about. For me, that is what it's all about. For me that grew up in a big family, I love the gathering of families. I love spending time with families. I actually miss Nigerian Christmas so bad because at this time of the year, everybody comes home. Everybody comes home. It does not matter where you are, you come home. Anyway, guys, yep, I am marinating my meat and I am going to put it in the fridge. So guys, I am done with everything that I'm doing for this evening. I mean, not everything, food wise, everything that I'm going to be doing for food wise this evening. My tomato is ready. Look at the redness of this tomato. I can't wait for it to be turned into jollof rice or rice and stew. But yeah, I am done with everything for food this evening. I am going to go shower, eat, yada yada yada, relax, do all the stuff, and then when the kids go to bed, I will prepare for Santa Claus. Yes. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on the 25th morning. Bye.